So there's been a big push in the Linux community, and especially more the community side as opposed to the enterprise side, around sort of live images and live CDs. And we made it so that you could take the live CD and use it off of a USB stick. But with Fedora 9, we really sort of complete it. We finish it off because you can now actually save your changes on the USB stick. So that now I don't actually have to come to work with my laptop. I carry my USB stick, which has whatever I happen to be working on that day.
I thought for a minute you were going to say you just weren't going to come to work. So one of the other cool features about the live USB is the non-destructive feature. We can take a USB key that has some pre-existing material and you can preserve it. You simply add your live bootable image to it along with an overlay to save your data on, and you can keep those photos or other documents you've already got on the USB key. They don't have to go away.
So I boot up my entire Fedora system off of this USB key here, and I've got my desktop. It's set up with my user icon, and I can create a document. We'll just say Red Hat Enterprise Linux customers can build the future with Fedora. I'll save it to the desktop and shut down the laptop so that I can come into the office and carry my USB key and just the USB key, and I have all of my Fedora system. Everything is right here, including the document. Get to the office, plug in my USB key, turn on the laptop, log in, and right there on the desktop, Red Hat Enterprise Linux customers can build the future with Fedora. The persistence actually was developed partially by Red Hat engineers and also partially by somebody from the community who was really interested in helping to sort of push that forward.
Fedora, because it is upstream for Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it's a great place for ISVs and partners and customers all to come together, and they can actually have some influence and say.
A customer who has an interest in a certain feature or something for RHEL can actually get involved in the Fedora community and help to make it happen. They can do everything from proposing it to working on it and actually testing it and making sure that it meets sort of what their needs are. And they'll work together with everybody else within the Fedora community to help make that happen.